Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Cherise of Doll Up with Cha. If you're new here, welcome. In this channel, I usually do beauty reviews, skincare, and makeup. And if that interests you, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is up. Today is another bare face video because today we are going to try another mask from the Body Shop. So on my last video, I have tried the Body Shop's charcoal mask and it really did amazing on my skin. So I'm really excited to try another mask from the brand. Now this one is the Body Shop Japanese Matcha Tea. It is a pollution clearing mask. So on their website, they claim that this mask helps remove the buildup of everyday impurities, pollution, and grime. It leaves you feeling refreshed and relaxed with healthy looking skin. Enriched with matcha green tea and community fair trade aloe vera from Mexico, and it's also vegan. So this mask has dandelion extract, community fair trade organic aloe vera, and green tea leaves. And I think the unique thing about this mask is it's not just a mask, it's also an exfoliant. It has beads inside so you can exfoliate your skin and then leave it on as a mask. And then you'll see a glowing skin. So before we start, if you're actually part of the Doll Up with Cha squad, you know that I always use my microscope for a before and after so that we can really see how effective this skincare treatment is. So I'm going to look at the microscope. So I'm just gonna look at my right nose. There's a lot of dry skin on the side of my nose, my right nose. See that? Oh, I think it's pretty obvious too because I put foundation. I had a YouTube live a while ago. So I think that's actually my foundation being trapped on my skin. So we'll see if this really removes that. This is my left. Oh, I'm also very dry here. This is the middle of my nose. Now that we've looked at the state of my skin, let's try this mask on. It smells really refreshing. It reminds me of something, but I forgot what it is. Like, you know those calamine lotion? Kind of smells like that. Or like, I used to have like this really minty foot. Oh my god, it smells like my favorite foot scrub. So on the website, they said to do a circular motion when applying this. And I can really feel the beads on my skin. It actually feels like a lotion. It's not too thick. They said to avoid your eyes and lips. Oh, and if you're curious how much this is, I actually got the small one, which is the 15 ml, and it is $6. But if you want to get the big tub of it, it's $28, which is not bad. They're on sale now too. Put it on my nose. It also has that cooling effect. I think it's because of maybe the aloe vera. The charcoal mask also has that cooling effect, which is really good. Because I'm gonna massage my nose more because I really have dry skin there. Here's my two tops. They said to leave it on for 5 minutes, and I think the reason the time is short is because even though they say to leave it on for 5 minutes, the mask has been on your face for quite a while because of your scrubbing. So I think I've scrubbed well. So I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and then we're gonna look at it at the microscope, and then I'm gonna wash it off and look at the microscope again for the after effects. So the mask is all dried up and you can't even see it. I think I just put a thin amount, but I think that's enough. We'll see. Okay, so we're gonna look at the microscope how my skin looks like with the mask dried on. So here's my right. Okay, so this side used to have a lot of dried skin. Like it was pretty obvious. But right now, I can't actually see the dry skin. I can see the green tea. Like those are the green tea mask. But I really can't tell. Yeah, I can't really see the dried skin anymore. And you see that my oil are a little pulled out. My skin feels and looks like it's more like moisturized, but I'm gonna wash this off and then I'll be back and tell you my final thoughts about this. So I've already washed my face. We're gonna look at the microscope. This is my right nose. Wow. So now that I've compared my before and after, I would say that I'm very impressed with this mask. My face feels so smooth right now. It's a little tight, but not too tight. And my face feels so smooth right now. It's a little tight, but it's not that uncomfortable. It's okay. If I am to compare it with the Body Shop charcoal mask, I think the charcoal mask is really targeted to pull out the oil plugs, and you would really see my before and after on my previous video. You'll see that the oils or the blackheads on my nose are really raised to the top. I'm going to compare it with this mask. I didn't really see a lot of oils being pulled out from my skin, but what I like about this mask is that it's very calming on the face. So if you have a lot of texture on your skin and you have dry skin and you see some of your skin really flaking off, I think that this is a good mask for you. I think that this really removed my dried skin, my dead skin on the side of my nose. I can put the comparison. You would see that my nose is way clearer. I think that they're also really true to their claim when it comes to removing buildup of everyday impurities, pollution, and grime, because even though I double cleanse, I still saw some of the makeup, especially on the side of my nose, because that's harder to clean. But after I put this on, my skin looks so much cleaner and so much brighter. When it comes to feeling refreshed and relaxed with healthy looking skin, I also believe that is a true claim. I like that this mask is very cooling. I feel really refreshed, and I really like the fresh smell of this mask. It really like calms you. I feel like this is a really good mask before you sleep because the smell is really nice, really fresh. It's gonna set you up for a good night's sleep, I think. And the aloe vera and the green tea, I think that really help in softening my skin as well. Like my skin is really smooth and soft to the touch. So giving this mask a 4 out of 5 stars. I think that this kind of mask would actually fit a lot of people. I think that it will be perfect even if you have sensitive skin, because it didn't sting my face, it did not make my face red. It's just really very calming on your face. But even if it's very calming and very delicate on your face, it did the job on removing the dead skin cells. It also helped on unclogging some of the oils, although the strength of it is not as much as the charcoal mask. I really think that this mask is worth a try. I think that if you want to use this, maybe use it once a week to start. They said that for best results, use this 2 to 3 times per week. This is the first time that I used it and I really love it. So I think I'm going to incorporate this in my skincare routine, and I'm going to update you in the description bar below. But so far, I'm really impressed with this face mask. So if you've been thinking of trying this face mask, I think that it's worth a try. That's it. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is up. Thank you so much, dolls, again for watching. Keep safe.